around the pile of rocks. Oh, that's a nice view too. Hey guys, Nolan here. We're at Lake Laurentian Conservation Area. We're going to do the Lake Laurentian Loop. So it goes, it's this red one, it goes all the way around the lake. So we gotta start this way. Okay, so Lake Laurentian Loop, we gotta go this way to start. Behind that building, they have like a little nature school kind of area. They have two actually, I guess. They have this area too. Just a little quick detour. So we're going this way to do the loop up on these rocks. Little bench area here. Okay, a little bit of info for you about Lake Laurentian. Lake Laurentian Conservation Area is located within the Ramsey Lake subwatershed. I think that's the big lake over there. It includes over 60 kilometers of trails for public use. It is free here, so that's awesome. And it's like literally in Sudbury, like it butts up against Laurentian University. It includes the man-made Lake Laurentian, wetlands, outdoor classroom, and the nature chalet. So a pretty cool spot here. Not many other, well, this is cool. Not many other cool facts on the website about it. Okay, let's check out real quick. So we started there, we're here. So we're getting there. Yeah, we got quite a ways to go. Just continue along the lake. It's absolutely lovely in here though. And it's not too hot today, which is nice. Looks like there's a bridge up here. We got a nice little marsh here. This is a pretty cool view. Now we're going away from Lake Laurentian. Okay, we're about 2 kilometers in. It's been pretty nice so far. This place feels like it's probably absolutely lovely in the fall time, because it's just littered with deciduous trees. That being said, there have been some sections, like there's a little bit here of leaves starting to fall, but yeah, I assume this place is probably absolutely lovely. But yeah, we're about a fifth of the way down in about 25 minutes, so we gotta pick up the pace a little bit. Absolutely lovely breeze coming through. The rocks on that side look really cool. I don't know if the trail goes there, but that looks pretty cool. Oh, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but there's a log right here. It has like 3 turtles on it. Oh, here we go. Right here, there's like 3 turtles on that log. Got a nice little bench here. Pretty good view. I see one paddler down there. I think where I started is this little point right here, just on the other side of that to the left. I think that's where I started. So we still would have all of that to go around. Maybe. I don't know if that math checks out. We've got about 5 kilometers left. We're about halfway. I don't know where the next marker is. Oh, arrow. Okay. Arrow. We're going this way? Around the pile of rocks? Oh, that's a nice view too. Okay, I see our route way over there. Okay, so apparently this marker is 5 of 10 kilometers. So we got 5 kilometers left to go. Another little bench here. No idea where I am. Pretty barren area. 84, I don't know what 84 is, but our loop continues this way. Man, I'll be honest, for a second I was worried that this was going to say the trail was closed and I have to go all the way back. Let's see. Okay, so this is a Thibault trail. The Laurentian University Green Space and Trails are at risk. We got a tall friend back there. Hard to see, but looks like a sandhill crane. Not entirely too sure. Gonna try to zoom with my phone again and see if I can get a better picture. These ducks are just chilling. A couple ducks on there too. You know what? That's one of our friends, the great blue. Cool. Bound to see one on this trip. But this is what we're looking at. We're kind of at like the far corner of the lake. We got a little over 3 kilometers left back to the parking lot. Okay, so we're at this junction to Chalet. That's where the parking lot is. So this is the ski trail right now. It's the link trail. So in theory, it would take us a bit shorter of a path. The path we're gonna take is gonna take us like around the marsh. So I guess this is the Phys Ed Center access, but we're right there. We're gonna keep going around this way. Just saw some bear poop on the trail. So we're gonna have to be loud and very aware for the next little bit. It's crazy though, this conservation area is like literally in the middle of Sudbury. Wild. And we're here to another ski trail too, with a bench. Okay, we've got about 1.5 kilometers left to go, give or take. So it should be only like 20-ish minutes. Yeah, I really appreciated the other side a lot more because there was a lot of wind there. this side of just getting the sun when we get to the open spots. And like, it's not hot today, but like, you know, hiking, I'm at about 8.5 kilometers at a pretty decent speed with some good inclines along the way. Yeah, definitely feeling a little bit of a burn, like a little bit hot. So the wind would be lovely, but yeah, it's probably pretty much been mostly like this most of the way. There's been some parts where like I'll walk out onto like the shield for maybe a minute and then go back like right up here. Nothing too special on this side though. Nine kilometers out of 10. Says we got one more. I'll check my tracking. My tracking says we have less than one. Says we have like 700 meters. We'll see, I guess. We'll have to finish with my watch saying 10.2 for that sign back there to be right. Assuming I don't miss any part of the trail. Okay, so we're just stairs, and this is the ending up here. This is the parking lot we started at. Right there is the sign. So that's where we'll end it. But let's see, how much was it? It was 10.1, so that sign was a little off, but so was my tracking. But yeah, that was Lake Laurentian Loop. Oh wait.